Alright, and then last here, we're going to add and subtract radicals. Okay, we're going to add and subtract radicals. Now, what I kind of tell people when it comes to adding and subtracting, it's kind of like adding and subtracting with variables. Okay? So, 8x squared plus 5x. Can you add those things together, Daniel? Can you add those things together? No, because they're not like terms. Okay? They're not like terms. So if I had 4 square roots of 2 plus 5 square roots of 3, I can't add those together. Alright? Because these are not like terms. So you actually can't add these together. 4 square roots of 2 plus 5 square roots of 3, those are not like terms. I could not add those together. Okay? So I kind of teach people when it comes to adding and subtracting radicals is you kind of think of them like variables. If they're not like, you can't add them or subtract them. Okay? And you just have to leave your answer like this, or leave your answer like this when you do with variables. Okay? Now let me give you an example of when you can. Alright? If I had 7 square roots of 2 plus 4 square roots of 2.
Just add 4 and 7.
You just add 4 and 7. Yep. Perfect. Okay? 7 of these square root 2 things plus 4 square root of these 2 things would equal 11 square root of 2. You don't add the 2 and the 2 together.
So basically just think of the radical 2 as an x.
Yeah, absolutely. If you just think of this as like a big X, 7x plus 4x would make 11x. Okay? But in this case, the x is a square root of 2. Okay? So 7 square roots of 2 plus 4 square roots of 2 would equal 11 square roots of 2. Okay? You can add those together. They are like terms. Okay? Same thing with subtracting. 8 square roots of 3 minus 2 square roots of 3 would equal 6 square roots of 3. Yep. A would equal 6 square roots of 3. Alright? Now, not all going to be quite that simple. I'm going to make you think a little bit on some of them. Okay? But that's kind of pretty straightforward. Okay? So, let's say I did 8 square roots of 3 plus 12 square roots of 3 minus 2 square roots of 75.
Use add.
We can add the first two together, right?
20 square roots of 3.
20 square roots of 3.
Minus 2 square roots of 7.
Okay, I agree with you. But, Michelle? Okay. Could we simplify this? Could we make a factor tree and simplify the square root of 75?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do that real quick. You should be able to do that in your head. 75. 75. It's like quarters. Come on. 25 and 3. And 25 is
5.
5 and 5. We can do that, all right? So 5 times 5 times 3. So I got 20 root 3 minus 2, and then you had 5 times 3. So can you bring something out over there?
Yeah, the 5.
You can bring out a 5. So now I got 20 root 3 minus, I have a 2 out there. I'm going to bring a 5 out there. And I still got that 3 left on the inside. So 20 root 3 minus 10 root 3. Oh, look at that. We do have like terms. 20 square roots of 3 minus 10 square roots of 3 would simply equal 10 square roots of 3. Okay? So sometimes, even though they might not look like they're all like terms, they actually end up all being like terms if you simplify the radical. And you'll always, always, always want to simplify as far as you can. Okay? Now, if they're still not like terms, then hey, they're not like terms and you just leave your answer. Okay? You can only combine or add and subtract the things that are alike. Alright, so for the time being then, we're still working on this same page, page 723. Let's see if we can do 27 to 39. And again, just the odd ones. About 6 problems there, okay? You got about 15, 20 minutes, 6 problems to do. See if you can tackle those before you guys go, okay?